sewed my eyes and ears shut, then hid me beneath the floorboards, turned me into a specimen. But this wasn't their first time doing such things. That day, a new guest arrived at the inn. I'm Jenny, and I suffer from severe misophonia. Even the slightest sound can make me irritable and distracted. I can't even tolerate the sound of my mother chewing. That's why I sought out this remote inn. The innkeeper and his wife greeted me warmly when I arrived. After learning about my condition, they made special arrangements, preparing an exceptionally quiet room for me. I was deeply grateful. But that night, just as I was about to fall asleep, I heard strange noises coming from inside the wall. I pressed my ear against the wall to listen carefully. Suddenly, a cockroach crawled down from the wall. I was terrified and turned to find someone, but discovered the innkeeper had somehow already appeared behind me. He took me to the kitchen for something to eat, successfully diverting my attention. After eating, I returned to bed, but in the middle of the night, I heard the strange sounds again. I opened my eyes and saw a dark figure pass in front of me. I tried to get up to investigate, but found my body completely paralyzed. Just as fear gripped me, the innkeeper suddenly appeared, holding a ruler to measure my body. I startled awake, but found nothing unusual about myself, so I convinced myself it was just my nerves acting up. But that night, the strange sounds from the wall began again. I pressed my ear to the wall to listen and discovered a hidden compartment inside. When I opened it, I was immediately struck speechless by what I saw inside.